Hello, in this video I will show you how you can add event to calendar on Google Pixel 10. First of all, open the calendar app. Right now you have to click on this plus icon on the bottom. Go to event section and now you have to add title for this event. After that you can also adjust some of the settings for this event, like you can enable this event for all day, but if it's disabled you have to change the hours for this event. Also you can set the date for this event over here in the same section. You can also change the time zone by opening it and enter a region or time zone that you want. You can also set the repeat for this event, and also you can add a people for this event. You can add video conferencing, you can add location or for this event, and there is also some other features like reminders of this event. You can add notifications, for example 5 minutes before the event starting. There is also customization of the color in your calendar app, and also you can add a description for this event. There is also feature like add Google Drive attachment. You can do it from here. After that, click save in the top right corner, and as you can see here I have my event in the calendar. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.